Hello, you two.
Hello.
You found the bivvy? Off we go for a little impromptu picnic, eh? The only way we know how when we have motorcycles. Get the grandparents to take the kids. So our eldest in front on the Grom. So I don't know why TJ is worried about going to the festival with us. Like, he rides faster than me. He does that. He's got nothing to. I think he's got it in his head that I'm a hooligan. When the time comes, but he's going to be alright on that Grom going to the festival. Oh yeah, I got bird shit on my helmet earlier. Bird shit on me. It's just generally how you get bird shit. Yeah, I know. And then I noticed my trousers have ripped, so you tell me if that's good luck. Yeah, fucking bad luck. Don't forget we've got to take the dog on the picnic. You can't go without the dog. Right, watch out, King Alfred's, the riffraff has arrived. You got a stick? Already? Well, that... It's the mods, TA, watch out, they'll have you. Mods are a biker gang, used to ride scooters. Yeah. Yeah, I love that police bike. Like can them. We'll cross the road safely. Where's your helmet? Yeah. Oh, I couldn't see it, it's so small.
Yeah.
Here's the rat bag, off he goes.
Did you get your big shit?
King Alfred's Tower.
I can't.
Yeah, we've been up a couple of times.
You know what I want to do?
What's that?
I don't know if you do it here until Aaron's been moved up onto it.
Easy. You find them. Hello, you two. You found the bivvy?